Very good morning, dear children. Children, today is Saturday. Today we are going to draw a scenery in our drawing copies. So take out your drawing copy, pencil, eraser, ruler and your crayon box. Fine? If you have taken out all the things, so open your drawing copy to a new page. So in this corner, you have to write down date. Then you will write down a scenery here at the top of the page. Okay? Let's start to draw. Take out your pencil and draw it. Children, do not use marker. I'm using marker because if I'll draw with the pencil, you will not be able to see this properly. That is why I'm using this bold marker. So I have drawn few triangles like this for making the mountains or hills. Now here I'm going to draw a sun. Make a half circle like this. Then make a rays of this sun like this. You will make few slanting lines for making the rays of this sun like this. We will color it later. Now we will draw a tree here. You know how to draw a tree. Firstly, I'm going to make the bottom part and I'm going to make a trunk here. Trunk of this tree. Like this. You can see that. I'll make a crown of this tree and I'll make clouds with few half circles like this. Okay. So this is a tree. If you want to make few fruits on this tree, you can make that like this. And we will color it later. Okay. Fine. Now we will draw a line here, a straight line. You can use a ruler if you want. Okay. Then I'm going to draw a river and I'll draw that river from here. Okay. Like this. And we'll color this river later on with blue color. Fine. For making some grass, I will draw the bushes like this. Okay. It's a nature scenery, so you can draw it like this. Now, I'll draw a small hut here. I'm making a triangle here upside down. Upside down V like this. Then I will draw curve like this. It's not a half circle, it's a simple curve. Okay. Then I'll draw two standing lines parallelly in the side of these standing lines. Then I will draw another curve like this. Now I am going to draw two small standing lines parallelly here. And I'll draw a curve upside for making a door of this hut. I'm making the door of this hut like this. Okay. Make a window, small window. Here, one small window. Here. More grass. I am drawing here. Fine. If you want to draw a few flowers here, you can draw that near this hut like this. Grass and flowers. I'm making these kind of flowers. If you want to draw another flower, you can draw that. Leaves. Drawing few leaves here. Like this, and I will draw few birds here, flying birds like this. Okay, few birds here also like this. So it's a very simple scenery which I have drawn here. Now you have to color this. Let's start coloring. I have taken this crayon box. Now I am taking this brown color for coloring these mountains. See children, I have colored these mountains with brown. Okay. Now I'm going to color the sun with orange and yellow. Okay. Like this. Like this. Okay. Fine. I'm going to color this river with blue. So I have colored this river with blue, which is coming from the mountain like this. Okay. Now I'm going to color this hut with red and yellow. Okay. I'm coloring this upper part with red like this. See, I have colored the top of this hut with red. Now I will color this wall of this hut with yellow. Okay, like this. This door with red, like this. Red and blue. Okay. Inside of the window I'm coloring blue. I am going to color these bushes which I have made here. Bring these bushes with dark green. Okay. Okay. I have colored all these bushes with dark green. Now I am going to start coloring this landscape or ground with light green. Okay, like this. I am coloring this crown of the tree with dark green. Okay, so you have to color like this. See, I have colored the crown of this tree with dark green. Now I'm going to color these apples with red. Okay, on this tree. Fine, like this. Now children, I'm going to color the trunk of this tree with brown. Now I'm going to color the sky with the sky blue color. Okay, so start coloring like this. Now I have colored the sky with this light blue. See children, our scenery is ready. In the same way, you can draw and color the scenery in your drawing copy. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.